Ni hao, welcome back. Have you ever experienced tinnitus? It can be really bothersome, right? But do you know that there are certain acupoints in the traditional Chinese medicine that can help you relieve tinnitus? Without further ado, let's get started. The first point is tinggong, which means aural palace. When you open your mouth, you'll notice a depression here. That's the tinggong point. We'll press the two tinggong points together for 1 minute. The second point is yifeng, which translates to wind covering feather. It's situated just behind your earlobe. You feel depression here, and when you open your mouth, the depression is even bigger. That's the yifeng point. We'll press the two yifeng points with your mouth open for 1 minute. Now moving on to the third point, taichong, or a quiet harmony. It's an essential point on the liver meridian, and it was also introduced in the video for relieving headache, in case you'd like to check it out. Liver issues can lead to tinnitus, so it's crucial to enhance your liver function by stimulating taichong point. It's located on the middle line of the big and second toe, 2 fingers distance below the toes. Here you have taichong point. We'll press the taichong point for 1 minute. Now let's do the other foot. The last point is Yongquan, which means a gushing spring. It was previously introduced in a video for improving sleep, in case you're interested. Yongquan is a starting point of the kidney meridian. Kidney issues can cause auditory problems, so it's important to stimulate Yongquan points to enhance your kidney function. It's located in the center of this depression, which appears when your toes are curled. We'll press it for 1 minute. Now let's do the same on the other foot. And now, how do you feel? Tell me in the comments down below. And remember, a regular massage is necessary to achieve the best result. I'll see you again very soon. Bye!